Side characters that you can use in your universes.
A magical being emerges, its form comprised of dark nightmares, haunting those who survived the wars by tormenting their nights with malevolent dreams. Born from the lingering echoes of conflict, this entity selectively targets the weary souls spared by the ravages of battle, weaving night terrors that mirror the horrors of war. Its body, a manifestation of the deepest fears, becomes a nocturnal malefactor, manipulating the dreams of the living with sinister intent. The sole escape from its grasp lies in an arcane remedy. Those seeking reprieve from the creature must rest within the confines of a coffin on the night following the war. The tabernacle of death transforms into an unexpected sanctuary, shielding the slumbering from the entity's insidious influence until the first light of dawn. Thus, survivors navigate the fragile boundary between the realm of the living and the ethereal nightmares born from the aftermath of war, seeking solace within the eerie stillness of their nocturnal refuge.
Follow us for more ideas for your fantasy universe.